everyone, it's Janon German, Charleston's Concierge Realtor, and I've got another exciting video for you. Today I'm going to introduce you to Captain Michael McKenzie. He's the owner of Chocolate Milk Charters, and we're talking to him today about homeowner safety around the water and boating. So come on with me and let's get on the boat. Hi, Captain Mike.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey.
Welcome. Great to see you.
Great to see you too.
Yep.
Thank
Yep.
you.
Yep.
This is exciting. We're gonna
This is
get
a
on board.
Yeah, this is a beautiful spot. I mean, you got the Stono River, which is also the intercoastal waterway, and it's absolutely gorgeous right here. This is very nice.
So
Well,
let's check out
let's
your
check
boat.
it out. Let's go.
Okay. Here in Charleston, it's beautiful being near the ocean. We've got the beautiful Stoner River here, excellent fishing, the intercoastal waterway, and if you're going to be here, you need to take advantage of it. Boating is big, so we're going to talk with him and get some information on how to be safe and maximize your home value with boating. All right, so first of all, tell me a little bit about you and what brought you to Charleston?
Well, I was a ex-Air Force guy. Did 8 years in the Air Force on Air Force One, and got an opportunity with DuPont Chemical Company to work with them. They yanked me away from the Air Force, and I went to work for DuPont and for 24 years. And they transferred me down here. My wife and I. She's from Long Island. I'm from Jersey. She grew up in the salt water more than I have, and we just love it. The salt water down
where
there.
it's at, yeah.
Yes, absolutely. And the minute we came across the bridge, we knew we had to live here.
That's amazing. So for me, I got to experience Chocolate Milk Charters last year, and we did a beautiful tour of the harbor and downtown Charleston, which is fantastic. And again, another big draw for living in this area. If I'm a homeowner, what are some things that I would need to know about living on the water?
The tides here are very dramatic compared to up north.
Okay,
They'll change from 5 to 7 feet. The currents are strong here. But you should take a Coast Guard safety course, the best thing to do. And the Coast Guard will come out for free and inspect your boat for you. And they're always willing to help. You do the right thing and they'll take care of you and you'll be safe from the water. And there's no better place to be than smelling salt water early in the morning.
Exactly. Where's one of your favorite spots?
Ooh, favorite spot. It's probably right in between Daniel Island and Drum Island. There's a little spot in between that we anchor, and we bring out food on the boat, and people just relax in the water. And that is kind of my favorite spot. We just sit there, chill, play music, and everybody seems to enjoy it. They can see the big cargo ships, and you can see the Ravenel Bridge right there. So that's one of our favorite spots.
Okay, very cool. Okay, Captain Mike, so you left your corporate job to have this amazing adventure with chocolate milk.
We had this boat since 2017, my wife and I, and this is our second boat, Chocolate Milk 2. And we did a little Facebook contest with our family and friends of what to name the boat.
Okay.
And
Getting everybody involved?
Yeah, I've got everybody involved. So my grandson at the time, it was about 5, loves chocolate milk.
Ooh.
My wife loves chocolate milk.
Who doesn't?
Who doesn't love chocolate milk?
Right.
And one of the bigger things of chocolate milk is I'm African American, Jamaican, and my wife is white Polish.
Oh,
So we got chocolate, people come
beautiful.
on, yep, so we have chocolate milk.
That makes sense.
So that's how that came about, and we go up and down the coast, and all the marinas everywhere knows us. They
Yeah.
love when they hear chocolate milk's coming in.
Oh, wow.
They always come to help, because we always try to help other boaters
That's true.
out here.
That's good.
So that's how we came up with chocolate milk.
That's cool. So your business here, how has that been for you? What kind of events and excursions have you done while you're?
It was kind of scary starting it, and we started getting some bookings, and Black Charleston Professional helped us a lot. That was a great networking with them, part of the Harbor Club, and got people from there come join us. And we start from anniversaries, birthdays, Like I said, I do weddings, bachelorette parties. We do get those.
Okay.
And we just come out and chill.
And have a great time.
Oh, it seemed like the month of August has been, in September, has been couples month. We've had nothing but couples. Yeah, maybe that's where the kids are back in school. But it's a lot of birthdays around August, September.
Yeah.
So everybody's coming out for celebrate. And they come up on the bow up front. They sit up there. We serve them champagne and prosecco. And we really do
have a good time.
Yeah,
like I said, I enjoyed my experience being on Chocolate Milk with some friends, get some food, and just have an amazing day out on the water. So what's next for you? What do you think is next for Chocolate Milk? Is there going to be a Chocolate Milk 3? Is there going to be some other exciting offerings?
No, we've been to a lot of boat shows looking at bigger boats. Bigger is not always better. One thing about this boat, you can easily walk through the center and get to the bow. We've had 85, 90-year-old ladies get up there. Because it's scary walking down the side of the boat. So this boat has fit us perfectly, and our guests feel comfortable. All the ladies come to me, Captain Mikey, help me get up there, and they get up there and they don't want to come back down. They don't want to come down. So we'll bring up the champagne and we'll bring up their wine for them. They can sit up there for 2-3 hours. Most of our charters are 3 hours and 4 hours.
Okay.
They go to our website, chocolatemiLkCharters.com, and our Instagram. 1 year, we hit over 5,000 followers in 1 year.
Amazing. I love following you and seeing all the
reels.
things that you
My
do.
wife does
Your
all the reels.
You're doing good.
My wife does a great job on the reels, and we just know it. It's making memories for people. That's the biggest thing I say to everything, and everybody says that. It's about making memories for them and their grandkids, and I had a lot of repeat customers already come back.
A lot of locals. I mean, again, not everyone has access to a deep water lot or lives right on the water. So if I want to have the water experience, this is a great way to get out and enjoy. So just tell me a little bit more about, if I do have a deep water lot or I do live right on the water, what are some things I need to consider when purchasing a home on the water? Maybe about the water depth or size of different boats.
As I look around here where we are, and the house that's for sale that you have, you have a listing there, that one has a great lift. A nice little 22 to 24 foot boat. It's perfect to lift it out of the water. You don't have to put bottom paint in it. You keep the barnacles off the bottom. Because when it gets hot here, growth happens fast. Yeah, I get my boat cleaned every 2 weeks. The bottom, I have a diver come in and clean the bottom of the boat. So if you have a lift like that, that saves you tons of money. It takes the wear and tear off your boat. You lift it up, and that one's a great lift there. And it also has a room I see over there for about 24-foot center console. Little cubby. Okay. A little express cruiser can fit there also. Okay. But if I had that house, I would put a nice little center console. That way you can get back in the creeks, which are amazing. The marsh and the creeks here are just beautiful. And this location right here, you can't beat it. You can get up to Charleston. Yep, you can be downtown Charleston in probably about 45 minutes from here. Smaller boats probably about 30 minutes.
Faster.
Yeah, I got to watch out for the wake. But you can zoom up there real quick. You can put a couple Sea-Doos if you want on the docks there.
And there's marinas, and is it easy to get to marinas and boat ramps?
Yes.
Okay.
In fact, boat ramp right across the water. There's a boat ramp.
Each area has boat ramps. I know that there's the Stono River Park that's not far from here that a lot of people go for launch their boats from there.
Yes.
And I know in Mount Pleasant there's a couple different boat ramps, and really they're all around because water's all around.
Yeah. Some of the best boat ramps are right here on the Stono because the current's not as strong. Living on the water is awesome. Every morning to see that beautiful sunrise coming up over there. It comes right on the Stono too, the sunset. We do cruises. We always come right through the cut and wait for our sunset. Perfect. It's absolutely gorgeous. People love it.
Love it. Yeah. Love it. Well, I can't thank you enough for sharing your story and giving us the safety tips for homeowners that have deep water lots or live close to the water, and important information if you own a boat or thinking about owning a boat, or if you're thinking about owning a home. on the water. Be sure to contact me, Charleston's Concierge Realtor, and I'll be happy to help you out. And of course, check out Chocolate Milk Charters and Captain Michael McKenzie for your next outdoor boating adventure.
Are you ready? Just for a little cruise. Let's see the beautiful marsh. We're gonna go up the Stono a little bit and look at the water there. The creeks are right there, and it's just absolutely beautiful today.
Ready for the ride.
Let's go. Let's go.